But you are not good. We are made for the great math. We can find all the girls equals to stop. We have to know that they are using the amenities in the passport. Career most of the not have to select. Now, from the subject tab, scroll down to click and that, and then click on this. So we can find the chapter. We can start with the chapter system talking where they use the lessons we will deploy the data. Classify a system of equations by graphing. Classify a system of equations. Solve a system of equations in my confusion steps. So please make sure you have your work and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and words. Definitions as well. You can wait for the session date by period, right? Probably it will be starting in a while. Chapter we are on linear equations. Let's just start with the lesson that is classify a system of equations. Graph these equations y equals negative 1 by 2x plus 3 and y equals negative 1 over 2 plus 8. Start with the first equation, that is y equals negative 1 by 2x plus 3, right? So y intercept is 3. So the point is 0 and the slope is negative 1 by 3. So move down 1 point and right 3 points. So we need to draw a line that connects the two points, right? The one that is the P, the y-intercept, and the other one that is using the slope. Same way, we need to plot the second line that is y equal 8. So we have the y-intercept that is 0 and 8, and the slope is negative 1 by 2. So we have another line. So we need to see if they intersect at one point. So the lines are parallel. They are the parallel lines. So a system of two equations can be classified as follows. If the two lines are parallel, the system is inconsistent with no solution. If the two lines intersect at one point, the system is consistent and independent with one solution. If the two lines are same, the system is inconsistent and real and dependent with infinitely many solutions. So let's just start with the test questions. Y equals x minus 4 and y equals negative 4 over negative 5x plus 5. So the first equation is y equals x minus 4, right? So that is the x is 0, y is negative 4. That is the y-intercept. So 0 and x is 0, y is negative 4. The slope is 1 and 1. So just join these 2 points and make a line, right? Same way for the second equation, you need to find out slope that is negative 4, 5, and the b is 5. The slope, okay, the slope is negative 4 over 5, and x is 0, y is 5. Here is x is 0, y is 5, and the slope is you have to move down 4 points and right 5. And just join these 2 lines and make up. So here is the point of intersection, right? So they intersect at one line. That means like if lines has one solution, the system is consistent and independent. Option number 2 is that option. Let me see. Maybe there are some technical issues. It will be live in a while. Don't worry. So they have the one point of intersection that is consistent and independent option, but two is the correct option. Okay, that is inconsistent. System is inconsistent. The correct option is inconsistent. Graph these equations. Y equals negative x minus 5 and y equals negative x minus 8. Graph these equations. Graph these equations. Y equals negative x minus 5. I have asked the tutor. Why the class is not running? She's not answering. Y equals negative graph these equations. Y equals x minus 5 and y equals negative x minus 8. So the system is inconsistent because they have same slopes and different point intercepts, so the system is inconsistent option limits three dimension. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself better today. Just move to the next lesson. The next lesson is classify a system of equations. Which describes the system of equations with y equals 7x minus 5 by 8. Y equals 7 over x plus 1 by 8. So the equation y equals 7x minus 5 by 8. The slope is 7 and the y-intercept is negative 5 by 8. The second equation is y equals 7 over 8. 7 x plus 1. So they have same slope but different y-intercept, right? So the lines are parallel but never intersect. The system is inconsistent. A system of two equations can be classified as follows. If the slopes are same but the y-intercepts are different, the system is inconsistent. If the slopes are different, the system is consistent and independent. If the slopes are same and the y-intercept are same, the system is consistent. Independent. Now let's just start with the test questions here. Which describes the system of equation below. Y equals 9 by x minus 9 divided by y equals 3 by 4 x minus 5 by 8. So they have different slope and different intercept, right? That means the system is consistent and independent. Option number 2 is the correct option. Y equals negative 5 by x plus 1. Y equals negative 5 by 6x plus 6 by 5. So they have different slopes and different y-intercept. That means the system is consistent and independent option between the correct option. Which describes the system of equation below. Y equals 5x minus 2 and y equals 5x minus 2. So the equations are exactly same. That means the system is consistent and dependent, right? They have infinitely many solutions. Which describes the system of equations below. Y equals 5 by 8x minus 10 and y equals 5 by 8x minus 2 by 2. So they have same slopes and different y-intercepts. Consistent as dependent option number 3 is the correct option. I think independent. Oh, that is inconsistent. The correct option is inconsistent. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Solve a system of equations using substitution. Solve using substitution. X equals to 4x plus 3y equals negative 16. So we need to isolate the variable, but the variable is already isolated. We have x equals to. So let's just plug x equals to in the second equation, replace the x with times 2 plus 3y equals negative 16. So 3y equals negative 24, y equals negative 8. So we have that is 2 and 8. Let's just start with the test questions. Solve using isolation. 5x plus 4y equals negative 3, y equals negative 2. So variable y is already isolated. Isolated means the variable is on one side and the values are on the other side. So you just need to plug this value with the equation number 1, replace the y with the value 4. And y you need to write negative 2 equals negative 3. So 5x minus 4 times 2 is negative 8 equals negative 3. So move that negative 8 other side. So it would be that constant 8 minus 3 is 5. That is 5x equals 5. So x equals 1. So the solution is 1 and negative 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 and negative. Now, using the substitution y equals 3, negative 3x plus 4y equals negative 3. So just replace the variable y with the value that is negative 3 and equal to number 2. Negative 3x plus 4 times 3 equals negative 3. Negative 3x plus 12 equals negative 3. So negative 3x equals negative 3, negative 12. That is negative 15 equals negative 3x. So x equals 5. So x equals 5, y equals 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 5 and 3. Solve using substitution 7x minus 7y equals 7. X equals negative 8. 7 times negative 8 minus 7y equals negative 56 minus 7y equals negative 7y equals 7 plus 56. That is negative 7y negative 7 plus 56. That is 49. Negative 7y equals 49. So y equals negative. So option number 2 is the correct option. That is negative 8 and negative 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is negative 8 and negative. Two x minus y equals negative 6 and x equals negative 2. So let's just replace x with a value equal to 2 times negative 2 minus y equals negative 6. Negative 4 minus y equals negative 6. So negative y equals negative 6 plus 2. Negative y equals negative 2. So y equals 2. So the values are 2 and negative 2. Option is the 2 is the correct option. That is negative 2. How putting the confusion y equals to x plus 7 y equals 19. So let's just write down. Okay, replace the variable y with a value that is x plus 7 times 2 equals 9. X equals 19 plus 14. So x equals 5. Question number one is the correct option. That is 5 and you can tell us in how you separate everything. So we are working on great time math. We are working on the chapter system of linear equations. The lessons we have covered today are classify a system of equations by graphing, classify a system of equations, solve a system of equations using substitution. So please ensure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions or the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. The tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down the question in the chat box and here to answer all your questions and confusions. So if you have any question, you can please write it down in the chat box. I can to answer all your questions and if you have any questions. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.